Hi friends, today I am now discussing about the uh, intrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor. In previous video, we have know about the pure semiconductor is not best for biasing because current cannot controlled by remaining the voltage, and at very high voltage a very small current is useful uh, useful conductivity of the semiconductor is very low. Pure semiconductor and silicon are intrinsic semiconductor, whereas when some impurities are mixed in germanium and silicon crystal are extrinsic semiconductor. Doping. Do you know about doping? Doping is the process of mixing the impurities in pure proper ratio with germanium and silicon crystal is known as doping. Extrinsic. In previous video we have know about the intrinsic semiconductor. Now we all know about the extrinsic semiconductor. Extrinsic semiconductor plus 5 group or third group impurity. When we mix 5 group or third group impurity, then N type and P type extrinsic semiconductor and in extrinsic third group semiconductor you obtain. N type semiconductor. How can we implement N type semiconductor? When the pentavalent current element is mixed with the pure germanium and silicon crystal, it performs N type semiconductor. Here majority charge carrier are electrons and minority charge carriers are holes. Here figure shown below in N type semiconductor majority charge carrier is electron and minority charge carrier is holes. Here N is equal to number of electrons in N type majority charge carrier and Pn equal to number of holes in N type semiconductor. Here Nn is greater than Pn. The pentavalent atom has 5 valence electrons, out of which only 4 participate in covalent bonding with neighboring atoms. The fifth electron becomes a pure silicon, leaving behind a positively charged but unimmobile ion which cannot take part in impurity is called donor or N type, as it contributes free electrons. The the material as a whole is natural neutral. P phosphorus, antimony, arsenic, etc. This is the configuration given below. P type semiconductor. Here we know about the P type semiconductor. When trivalent impurity is mixed with pure silicon and germanium crystal, it forms P type semiconductor. So here majority charge carrier are holes and minority charge carriers are electrons. If in figure we show the holes are majority charge carrier and electrons are minority charge carriers, and P equals to number of electrons in P type P type, and PP equal to number of holes in P type. This is the majority charge carriers. Here NP is less than equal to PP. Trivalent atoms has 3 valence electron, where which forms covalent bond with the neighboring atoms, while the fourth unfilled bond acts as a whole, as it can accept an electron. Such impurity is called as acceptor or p-type impurity, as it leads to generation of holes an electron. The impurity atom behaves as a negatively charged immobile ion. Figure given below. The p-type semiconductor. Here above we know about after conclusion n-type semiconductor. In n-type semiconductor we mix n impurities fifth group element, and in p-type semiconductor we mix with impurity third group element, for example boron. Here in p-type semiconductor holes are in majority का charge carrier, and negative ions are negative ion is called acceptor ion. And second one is n-type semiconductor, electrons and holes, majority electrons and minority holes, ions, positive ion or donor ion. Thank you. If you like this session, then like, share, subscribe also.